So there are only a few dash cameras which impress me the most. The list is quite small, and the camera which I'm going to talk to you about in this video is one of them. Well, I'm talking about the Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel dashcam. I've already brought up a detailed review video of this camera covering almost every aspect of this, but there's something which I needed to show you about this camera, and once you see this and once you get to know about this, you would be definitely compelled to buy this camera for yourself as well. So you don't have to buy this camera simply because I'm recommending it, but rather buy it based on what I'm about to show you. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. Alright, so here's the video sample of the Vantrue N4 Pro wherein I had just started out my trip under heavy rain conditions, and this is a simply brilliant footage. Just take a look at the sky now. You're going to see the lightning strike. There it is. And also do note that the glare from the opposite vehicles, it's so minimal and so natural looking. I mean, the entire video footage is looking simply stunning, mainly because of the quality the Starvis 2 produces. Now here's the next sample in the same conditions in the same day when I was riding on the highway, and this is just to show you the number plate readability under heavy rain at night at a distance of about 40 plus feet. Now I can see the car in front. I think it's a Hyundai car, and that's close to 40 plus feet away. That's pretty far, I must say, and because this is a 4K camera backed by the Starvis 2, here it is. I mean, you cannot say you cannot read this number plate. What you're seeing right now is the letters KA13MA3497 if I'm not mistaken, and this goes to show you the power of Starvis 2 when combined with a 4K resolution. Even at such a high distance of 40 plus feet under heavy rain in low light conditions and also under the glare of the headlights, you will be able to catch number plates. So moving on to another video sample to show you the capability of this camera and what it can do at a closer range. Now the car in front, the Maruti Alto, I think is about a distance of 20 plus feet. That's closer than what I showed in the previous example. And there you go, a crystal clear read of the number plate even under the direct glare of my headlights. You can simply make out each letter and number clearly. There's absolutely no blurring. Of course, you can say that the image kind of looks whitewashed, but what you guys need to know is that the vehicle is very near to my headlights, and because of this, the entire glare of my headlights is focused on the rear end of the car, including the number plate. So if this was any other camera without the Starvis 2, this would have been a completely whitewashed number plate. And because this camera has the Starvis 2 IMX678 backed by the 4K resolution, you're simply getting some stunning number plate readability. Moving on to talk about the overall video footage quality as shown on top of this video, this camera has a true native 4K 3840x2160 resolution at 30 frames per second. It has a bitrate of about 32,000 kbps with a 232 MB file size per minute of recorded video. Now this is backed by the Starvis 2 IMX678. This camera can give you GPS info on the recorded video, and you also can buy the CPL filter, which is an optional separate purchase. Now just look at this stunning footage. Look specifically for the colors, the red of the traffic signal, the green of the grass, and the blue of the sky. Not to mention that this was under low light conditions. You can also make out the dark blue hue of the sky. This video footage looks so good you can practically use it for your travel videos or Instagram videos as well. The brightness, contrast, saturation and sharpness levels are perfectly balanced, and this is the kind of video quality which you deserve for the money you're paying for this camera. So if you're someone who is buying a dashcam not just because you want to record some activity in and around the car, but rather you want the best quality footage, you want the top-notch quality, and you want the best that's available in the market, the 4K resolution combined with the Starvis 2 along with the HDR in the Vantrue N4 Pro will be the perfect choice for you. The HDR capability of this camera combined with the 4K resolution is simply breathtaking, and you get cinematic quality video right from your dash camera. So a truly impressive and an immersive 4K HDR video quality by the front camera of the N4 Pro is definitely worth the money, and you should be buying this camera if you want the top-notch video quality from your dashcam. I've spent a decent amount of time testing out this camera, and I must say this camera excels in almost all fronts. The premium price of this camera is backed by premium features, and once you buy this, you would never have to go for any other dashcam for a long duration of time. So just in case if you have missed my previous detailed review video of the Vantrue N4 Pro, you can check that in the description. I'll provide you a link right there, and if you're interested in purchasing this dashcam for yourself, the link to purchase it will also be provided in the description. You can just click on it, check out its features and check out its price, and you can buy it based on your convenience. So I hope this video has helped you and guided you in buying yourself a top-notch dashcam for your car, which you truly deserve. And in case if it did, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Insta and the WhatsApp page. The links to those are given in the description as well. We'll be bringing up many more interesting videos like these. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.